Hi, my name's Clarence. I'm one of the product managers at Pharos Controls. We're a dynamic lighting company based in London, but with offices all over the world. Our main feature is that we integrate very nicely with other software and hardware. This is done through our powerful triggering system. So this can be through Ethernet inputs or output triggers or serial as such. So we make this software for free called Designer. So this is how you configure all of our controllers. It's always free to download. We just ask you to register so that we know who's using it roughly. It's a very, very complex piece of software. We do offer free training in London. It takes a little bit of time to learn how to use it, but again, it's very, very powerful. So it gives you the ability to do so much. As you can see, this is a very, very complex show file. This is what we're currently using on our stand today. And yeah, so it's really, really powerful. It can be downloaded from pharoscontrols.com. Give it a check out.